What is going on, everybody? Crypto Headquarters here, and today I want to give you guys a video about how to select a good cryptocurrency and what goes into the selection process before you invest. So before I start this video, let me just say that the information that I'm going to provide today is not investment or financial advice. This is just my opinion. Please do your own research and invest at your own risk. So what are the things that I look for when I look at a cryptocurrency? I'm going to go down a list and I'm going to try to walk you guys through the process, and hopefully you guys can take something away and apply it to your own research. So I'm going to just click a random cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. Let's pick Cardano. I think this is a good example. So Cardano, when I look at this cryptocurrency, there's a few things I look for. The website I'm using right now is CoinMarketCap.com. CoinMarketCap.com has all the necessary information that you're going to need for this, and this is a website that I would use when researching cryptocurrencies as a base kind of for the information that you're going to need. So Cardano. There's a lot of functions on CoinMarketCap that go into this. We have the website, the announcements page, the message board, markets, social, and I'm going to go through all this stuff. So the first thing you're going to want to look for is market cap. Market cap is the circulating supply times the price. That is the total market cap. So if I look at Cardano's circulating supply, we're going to see that it's about 26 billion, and then we look at the market cap and it's roughly the same, and because of that it's under $1. So market cap is basically how much a coin is leading and how much more it's going to have to go up to increase the new price. So I explained how we got the number market cap, but an example I can give is if you look at another cryptocurrency called Payfair. So I've done a video on this, and check that video out, but this coin only has a market cap of $20 million. If we go back to Cardano, we are looking at $25 billion with a B. That is a huge difference. So when we talk about growth in the overall market, we go back to all cryptocurrencies and we see Cardano's number 5. So for Cardano to go to $2 to double, that would leave us at a market cap at Bitcoin Cash at $50 billion. So if you want to put your money into Cardano, you just want to take into account that the market cap is extremely high in the current market, therefore making it slightly less volatile, and it's going to basically mean that it's going to have a lot of new money pushed into it to get to the next price point. Market cap is a good indicator of how much growth a coin has and how much resistance it has and how much room it has left to grow, if that makes any sense. The second thing you want to look at is volume. How much volume is on the exchanges? Generally, volume doesn't have much to do with my research and investment decision, just because a lot of coins like ARK, for example, ARK is a cryptocurrency that I will quick look up to show you. ARK's volume is nothing special, especially for a $756 million market cap coin. For comparative purposes, we'll look at a coin that is around the same kind of rank as them, Funfair, and they have the same market cap and they do $46 million in volume in the last 24 hours. So ARK is basically a staking coin. I don't want to get too off track, but a lot of people, they use it and they just accumulate it and they don't ever trade it or use it on exchanges. So that's why I don't think that circulating supply is that great of an indicator for how well a coin is doing. Then obviously we talked about circulating supply. Circulating supply, the more supply there is for a cryptocurrency, the less valuable each individual cryptocurrency will be. So if you see something in the trillions and it's 0.00001, take into account that it is so cheap because there are so many. And vice versa. If you see something with a million of said cryptocurrency available, know that whatever price it's at, whatever market cap, it's going to be in a higher initial cost, but it's going to go up more in the future. So it's really important to understand circulating supply and total supply, because a lot of people, when they get into the cryptocurrency market, they look at something like Ripple and they say, if we look at the charts here, when they originally got into it, and Ripple, obviously it went up a ton, you can see by this graph, but Ripple was 25 cents for the longest time, consolidating 20 and 25 cents, and people said, oh, that's a good coin to invest in, I want to make a lot of fast gains, and obviously Ripple got a ton of money into it. But the point is that Ripple has 38 billion in circulating supply with a total supply of just under a trillion, and a max supply at a trillion. Take that back, 100 billion. So with 100 billion coins at the total max supply and 38 billion, each individual coin is going to be less. And for Ripple to be $3.15, it needed a market cap of 122 billion and the second highest in crypto. So take that into account when you look at supply. The more supply, the less valuable each individual coin, meaning a higher market cap is going to be needed to push those higher prices. So this third thing that you're probably going to want to look at is markets. Where are they available? How easy is it to accumulate this coin? So Binance and Bittrex are probably your main two exchanges that you're going to want to look at least here in the United States. Those are the two big ones, with Binance being, as of recently, the preferred exchange for a lot of people. Bittrex is having its problems, and I know recently, as of making this video, Binance has stopped accepting new registers and new accounts on their website just because of the influx of new traffic. They're not able to keep up. So I would say that Binance, Bittrex, KuCoin is a new exchange that I think is interesting, and I think that it has a lot of coins to offer. But you want to look how easy it is. If it's only on EtherDelta, generally I will say that I don't want to go through that hassle, and you just want to look how is the ease of access. The fourth thing you want to look at, or whatever number we're at here, is you're going to want to look at previous price trends. Did it just hit an all-time high? Isn't it about to dump and consolidate? Or is it been consolidating for a while, like here that we see, and then it's about to go on another run? How is the overall market doing? Is Bitcoin going on a run and draining all the alts? You want to look at the landscape around and what is a good time to invest in. You're going to also want to look at the social aspect. So this is extremely important. How active are the subreddits? How active is the community around it? How active is their Twitter? So as you can see, it's going to show you the Reddit, the Cardano Reddit. And basically on the Cardano Reddit, you're going to see there's 38,000 readers on here, which is a pretty good sized crypto subreddit. It's definitely not the biggest, but it is a decently sized subreddit. You're also going to want to look at just their tweets. What is their Twitter? Just stuff like that. How do other people look at this coin? You want to look at Reddit. You're going to want to look at other YouTube videos. How do people see this coin, and what do other people think about it? So you can potentially base your opinions off theirs and maybe come to a general consensus about it with outside views. So definitely you're going to want to look at the community. You're also going to want to look, what is the coin? This should have probably been number one here, but what is the cryptocurrency? Does it have utility? Does it work well? Do they have a physical product? Is it all speculation? Read the white paper, people. The white paper will tell you everything you want to know, and look at the developers behind the team. If the developers are generally no name, or they haven't proved themselves in the market, give it a little bit. See if they put out a product, see if they deliver on their deadlines, on their roadmap. These are all things to look into. Roadmap, white paper, are they hitting their deadlines, the team behind it? All this stuff can be found on a company's website, and should be. If a company doesn't have a white paper, generally stay away from it. It's probably a scam. If you want to make sure that all the people are legitimate, that they have LinkedIn's, they have social media, that they are real people. You want to make sure they have a wallet. Some cryptocurrencies don't have a wallet initially. They're in the process of making one, but most cryptocurrencies should have a general wallet, and hopefully that would be in their roadmap. So keep that into consideration as well. The website should have everything that I've just mentioned, and if not, it should be coming to the website soon. So that is another thing to take into consideration, again, when looking at cryptocurrencies, is utility and all the things I just mentioned. So I think that just about concludes everything that you want to look at when looking into a coin. So obviously this stuff is not something that's just going to happen. You're going to want to really dig in and do your research into how profitable you think something is and how much you believe in the project. If I refresh the page, we're going to see that, again, Cardano went down a little bit. It's seeing a bit of a correction. We're going to see a consolidation right here. If we look at the past 3 months, take that back 1 month. Hopefully this will give us a better kind of grade. We're going to see consolidation period, another rise, consolidation. So how long are we going to wait in this consolidation before it rises? This is just something to look at when you look at the graphs and everything around it. This is going to conclude the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions for me. Comment down below in the comment section what coins you guys are looking at. Any coins you want me to cover, let me know. Hit that subscribe button. Really trying to put out great content for you guys, and hopefully you guys are enjoying it just as much as I am. I'm going to end the video with another disclaimer, just saying that nothing in this video was investment or financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. Please do your own research before investing. Consult a financial advisor if necessary, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.